Hi everyone, welcome back to Rosie's Reviews. I'm excited to show you guys the next product I'm going to be reviewing. Do you know anyone who likes money? We all love money, don't we? Well, this time I'm doing a money blanket. It's a small petite blanket. It's not very big. This is how big it is. However, it's more of a fun gift other than just using it, for warmth, because this is what it looks like for warmth. If it's something that it's not really useful. It's small. See, it doesn't even cover my whole body, but that's not the fun part. I mean, unless you have a child who wants to have a money blanket, they don't really care for it. They probably just want more of a cartoon version of it. But yeah, this is a small blanket, but it's still fun. My husband, he's into investing money and all that stuff, so I think a gift for him like this would be fun. He'll be like, heck yeah, I want this money blanket. So I think it's something fun to give out, and you just don't know. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Rosie's Reviews Official. Follow me on TikTok, Rosie's Reviews. And just let me know your thoughts on this blanket. Would it be something you purchase? And this is the other side of it. It's just white, so there's no color to it. Make sure you check out my other reviews. I'm reviewing a pizza blanket, a pepperoni, a combo. I have different blankets, but they're all in separate links, so you can just check it out. Leave me a feedback. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What are your thoughts on them? So yeah, these are just fun. And I'll make sure to leave the links down below to the other blankets so you can fully grasp. And I'm also doing a tortilla blanket review, so make sure you check that out too. So what do you think? Would it be something you'll give out? Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.